केन्द्रीय विद्यालयः वायुसेनास्थलम् आवडी चेन्नई प्रस्तौति संस्कृतशिक्षणं कक्षा अष्टमी विषयः संस्कृतम्। पाठ्यपुस्तकं तु रुचिरा तृतीयो भागः तृतीयः पाठः। पाठस्य नाम डिजिभारतम्। प्राचीनकाले ज्ञानस्य आदानं प्रदानं च मौखिकरूपेण आसीत्। विद्या श्रुतिपरम्परया गृह्यते स्म। In ancient days, the teaching-learning process was orally practiced. There is no book and other things. The teacher will teach the children, children will listen. So it was transformed only orally and children were listening and learning. The knowledge was transformed and carried out to generation after generation through this way only. यदा अक्षराणां लेखनं प्रारब्धं तदा तालपत्रस्य उपरि लेखनकार्यम् आसीत्। पुराणकालेषु तालपत्रेषु एव लिखिताः पुराणानि इतिहासग्रन्थाः च ते तालपत्रग्रन्थाः आसन्। When the writing was started for the first time, people started writing on palm leaves. Whatever the grantham, whatever their creativity, whatever the presentation they want to preserve, they started writing that on palm leaves. In ancient days, all Puranas, Itihasa like Ramayanam, Mahabharatam and other creations were written on the palm leaves only. They are called manuscripts. लेखनक्षेत्रे परिवर्तनं जातं तालपत्रात् अनन्तरं कर्कदस्य आविष्करणम् अभवत्। कर्कदस्य आविष्करणे सर्वे मनोगतभावलेखनं कर्कदेषु स्वहस्तेन लेखन्या लिखन्ति स्म। कर्कदस्य आविष्करणेन सर्वे मनोगतभावलेखनं कर्कदेषु कुर्वन्ति स्म। तद् अनन्तरं हस्तलेखनात् अनन्तरं परिवर्तनं जातं लेखनक्षेत्रे अग्रे अगच्छामः। तत् टङ्कनस्य आविष्करणं, टैप् रैटिङ्ग् इति वदन्ति खलु, टङ्कनस्य आविष्करणं। टङ्कनस्य आविष्कारेण टङ्कने मुद्रितानि पत्राणि बहुकालपर्यन्तं सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति स्म। अतः टङ्कनस्य आविष्कारेण बहुकालपर्यन्तं पत्राणां सुरक्षणं भवति स्म। As the paper comes into the usage, that is after the talapatram, palm leaves, paper comes into the usage, people started writing on their own with the help of the pen or the pencil and presenting their ideas in the papers, and they preserved it. Advancement of that writing field comes is the typewriter finding the place. With the typewriter, people started typing everything on the paper and they were able to preserve it for a long time. So everything was typed on papers and preserved for long time. टङ्कनस्य पश्चात् आगतानि मुद्रणयन्त्राणि तेन सुलभरूपेण बहूनां मुद्रणम् अभवत्, परन्तु अस्मिन् शोचनीयः विषयः तु कर्कद उत्पादनार्थं वृक्षाणां कर्तनम् उन्मूलनं च अभवत्. After the typewriting style, the printing machines occupied the place of typewriter, and the printing has become easy to print in larger amount. Because of that easiness change only, we were able to get plenty of newspapers every day, and plenty of books got printed, and plenty of pamphlet printed, plenty of notices printed and able to distribute in lakhs of numbers. The printing is really an revolutionary one in the field of writing and in the field of message passing. The printing machines occupied the place of typewriter, and the printing has become easy to print in large amount. So everything was printed and preserved. In this, the worry is larger numbers of trees were cut and destroyed for papers. प्रथमं श्रुतिपरम्परा, अनन्तरं तालपत्रे लेखनम्, अनन्तरं कर्कदे लेखनम्, अनन्तरं कर्कदे टङ्कनम्, अनन्तरं कर्कदे मुद्रणम्. That is first Shruti Parampara, then writing on the palm leaves, then writing on the paper, then typing on the paper, then printing on the paper, and day by day, and the advancement was there in the field of the writing and preserving all the writings. Now वैज्ञानिकयात्रायां प्रगतिः सङ्गणकयन्त्रम्. Another advancement, the revolution in the field of the science is सङ्गणकयन्त्रम्, that is computer. तत्र सर्वं सुरक्षितं भवति. Everything is well preserved, secured, protected there in the computer. सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकस्य माध्यमेन भवन्ति. With that you can do all the works through computer with the help of the computer. So when you are preserving every data in the computer, then karkadaya vrikshanam kartanam na bhavati. You need only less amount of the papers for the use, so cutting of the trees will also come reduced. In this journey of science, the another revolution is computer. Everything is fed and kept preserved well in the computer. So for the sake of paper, cutting of the trees can be reduced. यदा सङ्गणकस्य आविष्करणम् अभवत्, तत्प्रभृति सर्वाणि कार्याणि सुलभरूपेण सुष्ठुरूपेण अचिरादेव क्रियन्ते. वित्तकोशे सर्वेषु कार्येषु वस्तुक्रयणे, धनस्य प्रदाने, रेलयात्रायाः, बस् यात्रायाः, विमानयात्रायाः, यात्रापत्रक्रयणाय, buying the travel ticket च सङ्गणकं बहु उपयोगकरं भवति. मुद्रितधनस्य ग्रहणम् अनावश्यकं यतः क्रेडिट कार्ड तथा डेबिट कार्ड इत्यादिकम् अस्ति. And we could have noticed that whenever we go now, wherever we go, you see everywhere the computer is used. The computer is so useful for all the works done in the banks and other areas. When you go for buying of train ticket or bus ticket or flight ticket and payment during your purchase, and everything is easier because of the computer. You need not carry the money, you need not have the risk of carrying the money with you. That is mudrita dhanam is called money. Grahanam anavasyakam, you need not take the money with you. The debit cards and the credit cards are safe. When you compare taking of the money, debit card, credit cards are safe, and you have the swipe machine. The people will have the swipe machine and vendors will have the swipe machine. If you have the card with you, you can pay that well with a secured manner. मुद्राहीन विनिमयः चलद्दूरभाषयन्त्रेण, चलद्दूरभाषयन्त्रं मोबाइल फोन साध्यं भवति. तत्र विद्यमानाः अनुप्रयोगाः application, that is apps, बहु उपकुर्वन्ति. In the case of cashless transactions, it's easier with the mobile phones. The apps are available in the mobile phone. The apps are very helpful for us to do all this cashless transaction, which is very safer one. येभिः अनुप्रयोगैः बहुकार्याणि साध्यन्ते. You look at this picture, mobile phone picture. In that so many apps are there. All these apps are so helpful for us. So many works are done through these apps without moving from one place to another place. All the works are done with the apps in the mobile phone. मुद्रा विहीन विनिमयाय बहवः अनुप्रयोगाः सन्ति. मुद्रा विहीन विनिमयस्य अनुप्रयोगाः. The mobile apps for the cashless transaction, so many are there. You can see in the picture there are so many, like Google Pay, Phone Pay, like that. So many apps are there. With this, what you can do means, without moving from your place, with the help of the computer, sanganaka madhyamena athava chalad bhasha yantrena, that is with the mobile phone, you can pay vidyalaya shulka pradhanam, school fees, chikitsalaya shulka pradhanam, hospital fees, that is treatment, dura bhashartham masika shulkam, the monthly bill for the telephone, vidyut prayogasya shulkam, the fees for the electricity units consumed, parikshayaha shulkam, and payment of the fees for the examination, like that. So many things. Sarvam sadhyam bhavati, all the payments possible for you with this mobile app without money. No risk of carrying the money, no risk of physically transferring the money, and through this app you can do all these things are possible digitally with the help of the computer or with the help of the mobile apps. Another revolutionary thing in the field of science and digital, सर्वैः अनुप्रयोगैः सहितेन एकेन चलद्दूरभाषणयन्त्रेण एव सर्वं कार्यं सिद्धं भवति. just with one mobile phone which is having so many necessary apps, all works can be achieved. All works can be achieved with one mobile phone with necessary apps in it. That is what digitally connecting everything. So physically losing the thing is challenged now. So you need not lose anything physically. Digitally you are connected. Now the Vishwam has become, the universe has become very small one. The distance between you and the people on the other side of the your country or other side of this earth is also very short distance only. It is very much reduced because you are digitally connected. The next moment you can see the people whom you want to see. The next moment you can talk with the people whom you want to talk with. वयं भारतीयाः अस्माकं प्रयाणं श्रुतिपरम्परायां प्रारम्भितं. We started with the Shruti Parampara system, then came to Talapatra writing system, then came to writing on the paper with our pen and typing on the paper, then printing on the paper, then feeding the things in the computer, and from there the revolutionary advancement is using mobile phone, and in the mobile phone using the different apps for the different works to be performed. And now we are digitally connected from one end to the another end of the universe, one end to the another end of the earth, one end to the another end of the our country. So Visve digital disi vayam agre saramaha. In this universe, in the world of, in the direction of digital, we are proceeding further and further. In the world of digital we proceed successfully. This is what Digital India Digi Bharatam. प्रिय छात्राः, प्रिय मित्राणि, एतावत् पर्यन्तं डिजि भारतम् इति पाठम् अतिकृत्य किञ्चित् पठितम् अस्माभिः. That is our country's vision, Digital India, which has become successful and further is go a long way also. With this we conclude this lesson, and this is your Sanskrit teacher K. Raghunathan, KVAFS Avadi, Chennai Sambagaha. We'll meet with another topic in a very short period. Tab tak, dhanyavadaha.